Go on, try it right now. Run a finger up your own side, the exact spot that destroys you when somebody else does it. Nothing. Dead. Your body, which panics at a single unexpected breeze, feels absolutely nothing when you do it yourself. This is one of the strangest things your brain does, and you do it every day without noticing. You have a built-in system whose entire job is to make you boring to yourself, and it is very good at it. Here is what is actually happening. Every time you move, your brain does not just send the order to your muscles. It quietly sends a second copy of that order back to itself, a little memo. Heads up, we are about to touch our own side. That memo has a name, an efference copy. Your brain uses it to predict exactly what the movement is going to feel like, a split second before it actually happens. And here is the rude part. Because your brain already knows what is coming, it turns the volume of that feeling almost all the way down. It cancels you out. To your own nervous system, you are simply not worth reacting to. This is called sensory attenuation, and your brain does it non-stop. Your clothes on your skin, your tongue sitting in your mouth, your own hand, all turned down to almost nothing because you saw them coming. Now someone else reaches for your side, and your brain has no memo. No prediction, no idea where or when or how hard. So it cancels nothing. The full, unfiltered signal hits, your brain panics, and you make that noise you hate. That is the whole secret. A tickle is just touch your brain failed to predict. The proof is almost stupid. Scientists built a machine that lets you tickle yourself with a delay. You move a lever and a robot tickles your hand a moment later. And once that delay creeps in, your prediction stops matching reality. The brain stops canceling. And suddenly, you can tickle yourself. You just have to trick your own brain into not seeing you coming. The thing running this entire prediction machine is the cerebellum, the small knot at the back of your skull. The part you would assume does nothing. It is doing everything. It is your body's prediction engine. Every move you make, it runs a model of what that move will feel like and guesses the result before it arrives, which means you are living very slightly inside a prediction of the present. Your cerebellum wrote the next half second before it happened, and you are just here to confirm it. So why would your body build a whole system just to make you unticklish? It did not. Being unticklish is a side effect. The real job is much bigger. Your brain has to tell the difference between I touched something and something touched me, between you and a threat. If it did not cancel out your own movements, every step, every blink, every brush of your own arm would feel like an ambush. You would be a twitching wreck on the floor, defeated by your own elbow. So it predicts you, mutes you, and saves the alarm for the things it did not see coming. A bug on your neck, a hand in the dark, the stuff that might actually matter, and the helpless laughing when you do get tickled. That is its own strange thing. It is not really joy. Look closely at a face being tickled. Half of it is much closer to panic. The leading idea is that it is a kind of built-in defense, guarding your softest, most vulnerable spots, the ribs, the neck, the belly, exactly where you would protect yourself in a fight. Your ha-ha might just be a flinch with better manners. So that dead, boring nothing when you touch your own side is not nothing. It is your brain quietly doing one of the most important jobs it has, knowing where you end and the world begins. You cannot tickle yourself because, to your brain, you are the one thing in the entire universe it can always see coming. Predictable, cancelled, safe. Everything else gets the alarm. You get silence. This was my curious body. Right now, your brain is quietly editing your entire reality a half second before you ever notice it. And honestly, that is one of the kind of things it does. That is the good news. It gets worse.